In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Wireless Keypad WLTP100. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when the trouble light is illuminated. A low battery message appears in the display, and you get an alert in your ADT Control app. First, make sure you have everything you need to change the battery. Remember, to maintain your system's warranty, this battery must be purchased from ADT. You can order on help.adt.com by clicking the chat button or by logging in to your myadt.com account. Now, let's begin. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system by entering your user code and tapping 1 on the keypad. Then follow these steps to shut the system down. This should stop tamper alerts, beeps, or notifications from happening while you work. You're now ready to change the battery. Since the battery pack is located inside the device, you'll need to take the panel off the backplate to access it. Using a small electrically insulated screwdriver, remove the bottom screw that's securing the panel to the backplate. Facing the keypad, slide the locking tab on the bottom of the device to the left. If needed, use a screwdriver for assistance. Now, gently lift and pull the bottom of the keypad toward you. The face will detach from the backplate. You may hear a tamper sound or beeping from the panel during this process. Don't worry, this is normal. Unplug the battery connector and pull out the used battery. Insert the new battery plug side first and snap it in place. Then insert the battery connector plug into the receptacle, making sure to tuck the battery cords under the latch. To remount or close the device, line up the slotted holes on the keypad face with the retaining hooks on the backplate. When aligned, gently push the keypad against the backplate until it closes and clicks in place. Then slide the bottom locking tab to the right to secure the keypad to the back and replace and tighten the bottom screw. For desk stand users, once the screw is secured, plug the device back into the electrical outlet. If a tamper alert was activated, you'll want to clear the alert and stop the beeping. On your Command Wireless Keypad, enter your user code and 1, then repeat the sequence. This should stop the beeping. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Wireless Keypad. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.